Good morning, children. Nice to meet you again. Let's begin with a beautiful quote. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. So, in the previous video, we have completed our first lesson, our environment. Let's continue with the writing part. Children, before that, you have to listen to the instructions very carefully. For writing, you have to use only HB black pencil. Now, let's have a look of your notebook. This is the first page of your notebook where you are going to write your name, standard, subject name. In the index below, you have to write serial number, that is 1, name of the lesson, our environment, date, today's date, and page number. From the next page, we can continue with the lesson. At the top, write lesson number 1. Then write name of the lesson. In the next line, you can give heading new words. Here, you have to make 2 columns of the page so that you can write new words neatly. Children, you have to repeat new words 5 times. From the next page, you can start writing exercise. So, let's have a look on new words first. The first word is environment. Environment means our surrounding. Second word is barren. A land with no plants. Third word is climber. A plant which takes support of a tree or other plant to grow. Fourth, bushes means small plants. Fifth, survive means to remain alive or to live on. Sixth, twigs, a small shoot with no leaves. 7. Scattered means spread widely. 8. Decay means decompose. 9. Fertile means to produce in great quantity. 10. Field, a land where crops are grown. Usually you call it as farms. So, children, let's start with the exercise now. Here is the first question. Fill in the blanks. Children, you have to write answer with color pencil, but it is not compulsory. You have to underline the answer without fail so that you understand it better while studying. First blank is the place of a stone changes only if someone picks it up and moves it. Here, changes is the blank written in a different color. Second, we weave clothes from cotton, wool and silk. Clothes is the answer of the blank. Third, leaves fall off trees. They too rot and get mixed with the soil. Fall off is the answer for this blank, which is written in different color. Let's move to the second question. Write true or false. Children, if the statement is correct, we have to write true. If the statement is wrong, we have to write false. So, let's see here. The seeds of some plants are scattered by the wind, which means due to winds, the seeds of plants get scattered or sprayed. This is the correct statement. So, we have to write true. Second, plants are non-living things. We know that plants are living things. So, this is incorrect statement. So, answer is false. Third, Sparrows grow by eating insects and food grains. This is correct statement. So answer is true. Let's move to the third question. Answer the following questions. First, what are the things that we get from the environment? So, we have studied that we get everything from the environment. All living things get whatever they need from the environment. How we are going to write it? In this way. All the things needed to survive we get from the environment like air, water and food. Materials needed to make various things like paper, furniture, houses are also obtained from the environment. Let's see the second question. What help do plants get from the environment? Plants get soil, air, water and sunlight from the environment so that they can grow well. Third question. What makes the soil in the forest fertile? Here, how soil can be made fertile so that it can produce in great quantity. So, what makes it fertile? Remains of the dead animal decay. They mix with the soil. Leaves fall of trees. They too rot and get mixed in the soil. This makes the soil in the forest fertile. Here we have finished with our writing work of the first lesson. So children, we will continue with the next lesson in the next video. Till then, you have to read the lesson thoroughly again and write this exercise in your notebook. You have to write very carefully and in a neat handwriting. Till then, happy learning.